Hey everyone, this is Ali. I hope everyone is doing great. Today I'm going to show you how to drain your oil, your differential oil. The tool you need, a half inch ratchet wrench, and you need the adjustable wrench to open your leveling bolt. So that's what I use this tool. So let's show you how. And this is International LT. It's my own. I'm owner operator, so hope I fit going underneath it. Yeah. This is my bucket here. All right, couple things, guys. Before you refill this, there's your leveling or refill bolt here. Read on it. It says caution, filled with synthetic loop. So make sure whenever you replacing your oil, make sure it's a gear oil. Make sure it's a gear oil. I got Valvoline 7590 gear oil, and make sure synthetic gear oil. Yeah, make sure it's synthetic, because that's what it says, right? And this is your refill and leveling, so you know where is the oil got. Once it start dripping, that means you're full. And the drain plug is all the way down. This bucket already, you see how is the black oil? It's from the rear, but yeah, the plug, so the drain plug is on the bottom here, and it takes half an inch of wrench. So let's do this. It's a very tight, so got it in there, but the pocket is so big. Sorry, I had to put the phone quick. Plug this real good. Come on, man. I'm trying to.